Hello friends, if you're a part of the family, welcome back. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be short and sweet, hopefully, and I'm coming to you all from my bathroom. I wanted to go ahead and show you all a DIY spray that I came up with to clean my soap scum, from my bathroom, specifically from this glass door that I have. And so I've been using it for the last few years, and I was like, hey, why don't I go ahead and just share it with you all so you guys can, use it and let me know how you guys like it. But let me go ahead and show you now how the recipe or how I put it together. It's literally just 2 ingredients, and I'm pretty sure you all have it in your house right now. So I'll show you just the ratio really quick, and then I will show you literally how I use it to spray my glass doors and how it really just fights through and cleans the soap scum, the yucky soap scum from my glass door. All right, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's super simple to do, and it really gets rid of all that soap scum. So I would love to know if you guys try it and if it works for you all. My daughter's playing her guitar in the background, so if you hear her, that's her. She's learning she's teaching herself how to play the guitar, and so it's been great to hear, but I didn't feel like telling her to stop so that I can film this video. Anyways, hopefully that is helpful for you all. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Yes, if you want prayers, go ahead and contact me either through the comments below or through email, so I can go ahead and be praying for you all. If you're on social media, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. I share a lot more of my life there. And also, if you have not joined this channel and become part of this family, go ahead and hit that subscription button and the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. All right, y'all. Hopefully that helps. Love you all, and I will see you next time. Bye.